Last, the applications of dimensional formula to derive some physical formula. Now we'll discuss another application to check the correctness of the formula. Any formula can check its correctness. Is it correct or not by using dimensional formula? So if you want to look at your text, here's the page. Now first let me solve with these, number 1 and number 2, and I'll give you another assignment. For number 1, s equal to ut plus half at squared. This is a very popular formula. S is displacement. This is displacement at any time when a particular force is applied on a body, and S is its displacement, U is initial velocity of that body, T is the time taken, and half is half, A is acceleration. Just acceleration, it's not due to gravity. T is, as I've said, it is time. So since S is displacement, its unit will be meter. Meter is, in dimensions, it is L. So the left hand side will be L, and I'll check whether the right hand side is also L. If it is L, this formula is dimensionally correct. So I'll go to this part. Let me split into two parts because I have plus sign there. If I've said same unit can add it, that means this ut and half at square will have same unit. So u is, as I've said, it is velocity, initial velocity. Velocity is measured in meter per second. That means meter per second, and time is measured in second. So in dimension, meter is length, this is second is time, this also is time, then this and this can cancel, and I have L here. L, as here it's L. So similarly, I'll proceed to this second part, as 1 by 2 is just 1 by 2. 1 by 2 does not have any units. So in terms of unit, I can take only at square. A is acceleration, and it is measured in meter per second square, and time square will be second square. This second square and minus second square can cancel, and I have only meter. Meter is, in terms, it will be L, length. So this term is also length. Length plus length is still a length, not two length. 这就可以认到。Til 四種本體嘅標準啊，四種頭殼錯檔。Til 四種本體嘅標準啊，二種錯檔了。就反正 L 頭殼呢，你當因為 dimension 中轉。按你轉 I have left hand side L as right hand side first term is also L, second term is also L, but these two L sum up to L. If I add two length, it's still a length. The result will be still a length. So I'll get this plus will be also L. So left hand side and right hand side are equal. That means this first equation is dimensionally correct. I think it's clear enough. So by proceeding the same process, let me go to second problems. So half is just a number, and it does not have any unit. so I can neglect half in terms of unit. Your M is mass. Let me write it first. Kg, it's left hand side. Let me solve left hand side first. The meter is velocity is meter per second, but it is square, so I'll square both. This will be velocity square. In terms of dimensions, kg is measured in mass. Kg is unit of mass, so m. Meter is length, unit of length. Time, second is time, minus 2. So the left hand side will be ml2 minus t minus 2. Similarly, if I proceed to right hand side, if the dimension is this is equal to this, that means this formula will be dimensionally correct. But if the left hand side and right hand side dimensions are not equal, this formula can never be a correct formula. So I will have to add some terms. So let me proceed with right hand side. Here is I have mass. Mass is, if I've said it's measured in kg. Here is acceleration due to gravity. G is acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration is meter per second square. And height is also length. It's a measure of length. So I can measure in meter. Then if I multiply meter and meter, I'll get meter square per second square. Then in terms of dimensions, this will be mass. This is L square. This is T square. So let us look. This is left hand side. This is right hand side. They are equal. That means question number 2 is dimensionally correct. It is clear enough. So this is how we will check the correctness of any physical formula. Now I'll give you assignment. I'll give you assignment every day because we have to practice more problems. Now you have to check the correctness of f equal to MA. This is number 1. Number 2, L equals MVR. Now you can write on your paper. F is force. Mass is M is mass. A is acceleration due to gravity. That's for number 1. For number 2, L is angular momentum. M is, if I said, is mass. V is velocity. R is radius. So you'll check these 2 formula, their correctness, by using dimensional formula as I have posted, as I have solved number 1 and 2. You can solve and submit these problems before 6 p.m. today itself. Assignment kan lo ngai pui mo ro. Assignment kan ngai pui mo lo ti a chen chu ania submit kan tem thin. Nakin ania submit lo ho ko chu in min ka ron la tar chuak dor. Ano min ti vak lo wang. Chu wangin ania takhalo submit sel tur ni mi te pani assignment le photla. And if you have any doubt or any problems, you can always ask me through WhatsApp, through calls, through even video calls. That's all for today.